Hello, my name is Shia Ritchie, and um, well, first of all, this entire uh semester for the genetics class I felt was a learning opportunity, like outside of like your basic how-tos for the Punnett squares. I didn't know probably any of this stuff, starting with like autosomal recessive and dominant. Like I thought I had a grasp on what like a dominant gene was, but like the most they ever taught us in school was like blue eyes and brown eyes. Like brown eyes are dominant and blue eyes are recessive. But like I guess that's true, but maybe not even true. We never even really talked about eyes because we were so focused on diseases. But learning about what autosomal recessive and dominant and X-linked and Y-linked um genes were so important, and helps me understanding what to look at and what to tell people when talking about their genetic testing, like as a midwife. Another thing that I learned that was super interesting was, of course, my topic for the genetics research project, albinism. I did know that there was ocular albinism and oculocutaneous albinism, but like there are so many other nuances of what albinism can be just pretty much off of your nationality and ethnicity, because albinism is, for the most part, a pigment condition of melanin, and like how we are as like a people of color or absence of color, that's all mainly defined on the genetics of our melanin and the history of our melanin. So super interesting to know that, like, you know, African Americans with albinism can produce red hair, or Asian people with albinism can produce blue eyes. Super interesting. Um, Other things I learned, I'm looking through here. Oh yeah, learning about like um non-disjunction and the different ways that cells group together. It did help me understand different genetic disorders like trisomy 21 and trisomy 18. It has to do with, when they say a missing chromosome, it's about what chromosome is missing from the group of chromosomes that make up a person's genetics, or an addition of um,